So, have you heard about the glitter theory? There was this journalist, right? And he worked for the New York Times. He went on a trip to a glitter factory so that he could research and gather information to basically write an article on glitter. When he arrived, he noticed that there were a lot of top secret spots in the factory that he couldn't go to. Someone in the factory also informed him about the shortage of glitter. You can find more information about that online. You might be wondering, what the heck do we use glitter for, that we somehow have a shortage? Well, keep listening to the story. So he went to ask one of the higher ranking employees what was going on. Why is there a shortage of glitter? He then requested a real tour of the factory, and the guy just straight up rejected him. He just kept reiterating the fact that under no circumstance he wouldn't allow the guy to see glitter being made. Even the big companies that are their main clientele, they don't even have access to these rooms. They too are restricted from viewing the process. They went on to say that if you looked at the product that they used to make glitter, you wouldn't really know it made glitter.